just keep it in the box. Tell Auntie to open it, help open it up, because I just want to see it too.
Yeah, that store sucked you right in. Oh, Village.
Yeah.
Toy.
Hook, line, and sinker.
Well, it's not like store toys.
I almost got it. That side of that.
Huh?
It's adorable.
It is.
Where are you going?
Oh.
Holy smoly. Why would you put that in? You don't. Look, Bob. Turn it. See?
Yeah.
Turn this.
Yeah.
Look what's in there, Bob. Ooh, you all right?
Yeah.
Here. Want Odds help?
Yeah.
Bob, what is it?
That's a new mail.
Mom, what are you doing, Bob? Put more wood on?
I just cleaned the chimney and put wood on, yes. Well, I didn't get up during the night, so. Oh, look at that, Bob. Holy smoly. Hang on. Let's see. You gotta turn this sucker one way or the other here.